Most of the episode takes place on the Frogland Ferry, which, as its name implies, is crewed by uniformed frogs and provides an all-frog band to entertain a large number of nattily attired frog passengers wearing late 19th century garb. Wirt, Greg and Beatrice appear to be the only non-ticket holding, non-amphibians on board. Greg and Wirt relax, as they are traveling to Adelaide's house and expect to be home soon. Beatrice is uncharacteristically glum, however. The brothers are pursued by guards, as they snuck on board the boat without paying because Greg threw away all of their money into a fountain. They disguise themselves as a band member, but accidentally knock the bassoon player off the boat into the river. To mollify the crowd and escape the guards, Wirt must replace the bassoonist, adapting his ability to play the clarinet. When Wirt started playing, Greg's frog started to sing over the garden wall song. After the boat docks, the frogs proceed to hibernate in the mud. Beatrice attempts to persuade Wirt and Greg to abandon their goal of reaching Adelaide, saying she has grown fond of the brothers. Beatrice tries to fly ahead to meet with Adelaide in secret but is unknowingly followed by the brothers. Adelaide turns out to be a wicked crone, very unlike what the brothers imagined. Beatrice tries to renege on her agreement with Adelaide. It is revealed that Adelaide offered Beatrice the means to make her and her family human again, in exchange for bringing the two boys to Adelaide's house so that she could enslave them. Beatrice realizes she was deceived. She thought Adelaide would send the boys home after doing some yard work. Wirt, with Greg, enters the house to find Adelaide and Beatrice apparently conspiring. Beatrice tries to explain the situation, but Wirt refuses to listen. Adelaide remarks how she is compelled to follow the beast's voice. Adelaide ensnares the boys, but Beatrice opens the window and exposes to the night air, which causes her to crumble to dust. After defeating Adelaide, Wirt and Greg have freed themselves and left the house with Beatrice feeling regret of her deal with Adelaide. Wirt and Greg soon wander into the woods once more and Wirt feels nothing but betrayal and believes he shouldn't have trusted anyone. As they walk, Greg's frog, who was left by the brothers, finds them, and although Greg greets him with open arms, Wirt does nothing but tell Greg to hurry up and the brothers continue to walk.